About this item: 3-channel front and side rear dashcam. The N4 is a triple-channel dashcam which offers 155 degrees front camera, 165 degrees inside camera and 160 degrees rear camera. It can simultaneously monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle while providing audio at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, protecting you from potential accidents and liability issues. 4K and 1080p front and rear dual dash cam. When set to front and rear dual recording mode, the cam provides a 4K 2160p resolution front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The rear cam is easily 360 degrees adjustable with 20 feet extension cable, and it works well for cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and truck. The front camera can seamlessly record up to 4K when used alone, enabling clear capturing of license plates and road signs. 1440p and 1440p front and inside dual dash cam. You can configure the settings to record the front and interior of your whole cabin in 1440p plus 1440p high resolution. The adjustable inside camera ensures more flexibility and better viewing, ideal for ride-share drivers that may need to present proof of activities within the vehicle. Infrared night vision car camera for drivers with high-performance Starva CMO sensor, a big f1.4 aperture 6 glass lens observing road front, f1.86 glass lens observing rear. This car camera is able to increase exposure automatically in dark situations for capture clear videos footage. 4 IR LED lights facing the car cabin, which can accurately capture the driver and passengers even when the cabin is completely dark, perfect for ride-share drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and Taxi. 4 hours parking mode with low bitrate recording parking mode. The dash cam will keeps recording continuously and decreases the quality of the video to maximize the recording quantity. While the motion detection or collision detection parking mode allows the camera to automatically initiate recording when triggered by a motion